This project is PC based transformer health monitoring. Here hardware connections are Arduino and its daughter board along with power supply, 16:2 LCD display. Temperature sensor LM35 connected to Arduino analog pin. Here level sensor connected to Arduino digital pins to monitor oil level for transformer. This LED connected to transformer output and we are reading current and voltage of light. To vary the voltage and current we are using 10K potentiometer. This LED acts as a load of transformer. Here USB to serial adapter connected from laptop to Arduino UART port. Now power on this. Here LM35 temperature sensor to read the transformer temperature. We can demonstrate with the liquid for oil level of transformer. Load voltage and current varying through 10K potentiometer. All these parameters data displaying on 16:2 LCD display. Also this data displayed on software which is in laptop. It was developed in .NET according to our requirement. Now we have to open the application. Here we have to select the COM port option. COM port 6 and baud rate is 9600. Now open. COM port open and it is asking to save data in file. Please click on file button. OK. Now open the file. We have to create new notepad file. New text document. Here file name is C. Now open. We can monitor all the details of parameters and it is showing our project title PC based transformer health monitoring. On LCD we can see temperature, transformer oil level and voltage and current. Now we have to increase the voltage, then current value also increase. You can see here we can see here voltage is 2.31 volts and current value. Here this is the oil level indicator. Here we have 3 levels: empty, level 1, level 2 and level full. Now level 1, level 2, level full. We can see here oil level full. All these sensors data stored in notepad file. Based on this data we can estimate transformer health. Now we have to open the C file. We can see here all the sensors data with respect to date and time.